Hello, Sam here from Artificial Lawn Company and artificiallawnsupply.co.uk, and we're back with another product showcase. This time we have 38mm comfort lawn. So this product, it does what it says on the tin. We call it comfort lawn, and this product has got the best feel in our range. So with that 38mm pile, but quite a low DTEX. It's packed full of stitches. It's got 29,000 stitches per square metre. That gives us this really nice soft feel. So this is great for back gardens with younger kids and roof terraces, balconies, the kind of spaces where you might be barefoot. And then also it's probably the second most realistic grass in our range. And again, there's quite a fine look, which you can get sometimes. I think it looks particularly more like the fringe on a golf green, you know, just off the green, because it's very, very dense, but also still a bit long. And this is a premium product. It's about 2,900 grams per square metre, and it's got the latex backing with the drainage holes. So like all other products, this comes in a 2 and a 4 metre width, and then we can cut these up to lengths in 25 metres. And yeah, this is a great product in the sample box. Definitely one we would recommend to get, just to see the feel and how soft artificial grass can be. This product is different to others you may see, or from cheaper manufacturers, or manufacturers abroad in China. This is a European made product, so the actual makeup of it is still got some resilience to it. Sometimes what you find with these very fine, super soft, super dense grasses is that they have no durability at all. So you look constantly brushing footprints out of them, and they just don't stand the test of time. Even though this product is still quite, soft and super dense, it's still got a decent thatch in the bottom, and the grass is still got some resilience to it. So definitely get a sample of this one, and that's our 38mm comfort lawn. Thank you very much.